How to save Google Docs to files on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Google Docs here and choose the file that you want to save. So let's say this file, I want to save it to my files on my iPhone. So all you have to do is on the right side, you will see three dots there. Tap on the three dots and these options will come out. Now the next thing that you want to do is to tap on share and export here and tap on send a copy. Now here you will be sending copy here. I want you to scroll down again up until you see save to files. So tap on save files and choose the location for this. So let's say you want it to save to your on my iPhone here. And then on the right side, you will see save. Tap on save there. And now you have successfully saved it to your files. Now we just have to check it on our files. Then go to your files here. And as you can see, we can now find copy of sample link. Here, let's open the document. We have successfully saved the Google Docs to files on our iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.